Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. In this episode, I'm gonna show you a beetroot salad with an elegant and easy serving idea. It has simple ingredients besides beetroot, some pickles, orzo pasta mixed with yogurt, mayonnaise, and fresh herbs and seasonings. So let's make it. I have 4 small size beetroot. I couldn't find on the market when I was filming. If you can find, use bigger ones so you can get even pieces for serving your salad. I cut them into slices before cooking, but after trying the second time I just cut them into 2 and then slice after I cook them. Both are fine. Just fill it with water and then cook on a medium heat until the beetroot is almost soft. I'm taking out the pieces, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the same water that has this beautiful pink color to cook my orzo pasta. If the leftover beetroot water is not that much, you can always add some more water on top and then cook until the beetroot is soft, adding some salt. It is better to check from time to time. It tends to stick more because of the beetroot juice. I didn't want to drain the beetroot juice, so I add more water little by little until my pasta is soft. Still, you have to drain it in order to not stick together. Add some cold water if it sticks, so it cools down more easily, and then let it cool down. Here is my pink colored pasta ready. And now I can chop the other ingredients. Here I have some pickles. Since I want to shape my salad with scoop, I'm gonna chop them finely. If you are going to serve it as is in a bowl, you don't have to make it very small, fine. I separated the beetroot pieces that I'm gonna use for serving, and the rest of it I'm gonna chop again very small, finely. Here you can use a food processor if you like. Just pulse them until you get small pieces like this. Adding cooked orzo pasta. Again, you can use any small kind of pastas you have on the market. Some chopped fresh dill, whole milk yogurt, some mayonnaise, and salt. Give it a good mix and taste it if you can. And as a final ingredient, I added grape vinegar to give some sourness to my salad. Also, after mixing, you can check if it needs more yogurt or mayonnaise, and it will be ready to serve. Since my beetroot pieces are small, I had this small scoop that I'm using for shaping cookie dough. But if your serving size is bigger, you can easily use big ice cream scoop or use 2 spoons simply to portion them. I served the beetroot salad with orzo pasta with bu kebabı that I shared in the recent episode. along with bulgur pilav and sütlaç. So give it a try, this beautiful beetroot salad with simple ingredients. You can serve it as a side dish, quick lunch, or it would be perfect for picnic as well. See you in the next episode. Afiyet olsun.